Hi everyone, Bastien here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new email template in HubSpot. Templates will help you to save time by avoiding repetitive writings while still letting you personalize your content. Thanks to that email template, you will save a ton of time. You will enjoy meaningful moments in your life, like training with squares. You ever wanted to train for dancing, like synchronized dancing? Right? You don't do that. Me neither. That's good. Let's go back to the video then. Okay, log to your HubSpot account, go to library, then templates, and click on new template. You can search for template library if you want. I will click on from scratch. So I added the name of the template, the subject, quick intro, wonderful subject, by the way. Here I have the first name. If I want to pull dynamically the first name of the contact, I can click on personalize, search for first name. If I want to pull, for example, the company name over there, I can click on personalize, search for the company, and search for the name of the company. And now what's wonderful, it's getting the company name from the company associated to the contact. You can also access to different objects like deals or tickets. You can insert your meeting link, a video, document, snippet if you have one. And of course, you can change the policy of your email with different fonts and different size. If you didn't add your signature, you can just click here on edit signature. And I will put in the description of this video a link to my video to create your own signature with HubSpot. You can also click on generate templates. Now you can use AI to craft your email templates and do follow-ups also. You can select a folder if you want to save it, and you can only use it for yourself or share everyone inside your company. You can just click on save template. So now go to HubSpot contact, click on email, click on templates, select the one we created. And here you see you have your subject, the first name has been added, and you have the company name. You can just send it right away. And that's it for today. With the time you saved, thanks to the email template, you can now enjoy wonderful activities like dancing and not squares. Yeah, it's weird. Keep automating, have fun, cheers.